Welcome back. It's Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. Hey, it wasn't that long ago, I think it was just a few months ago, that Shiba Inu went absolutely berserk. And a lot of people, including me, got over with Shiba Inu. A lot of people ask me why I, continue to put content out on this channel. It's real simple. I don't want to be rich by myself. I keep trying to tell everybody that I don't want to be rich all by myself. I don't want to get to the top of the mountain. And I'm the only person that basically, got there because I keep secrets. I'm not keeping no secrets. I'm sharing with you on this channel what I think is going to be a great opportunity for you to invest in. It's not financial advice, but it's based on research. And Shiba Inu is definitely one of those projects that has all of the pieces. Folks, let's take a look at this. This thing dropped all the way down to like half of this. I think it was like sitting at 0.00001 something. Okay, let's just dig into this. There it is. Okay, it got all the way. It was going down 0.002. There it is. People were crying. Okay, they were talking about that. Oh, there it is. That's what I'm talking about right there. It got all the way down here. It just about broke the 0.002. Okay, I even saw it flash. I saw it get below 0.00002. And a lot of people were like, this is terrible. We lost our money and I just feel terrible about this and everything. If we go back and look at 3 months, you can see it's just been on a tear going down. That's right. Going down, going down, going down. And if you've been in this game as long as I have, you understand that it's going to go up and down. It's going to be large fluctuations. You have to understand what you're investing in. And Shiba Inu has all the pieces. You don't want to sit up here and wet your pants because you see it going down and then you lose your shirt. If you don't know what you're investing in, don't invest in it in the first place. But if you've done your research and you believe in what you're buying, hey, stick with it. For those people who are stuck with the coin and know what this project is about, you understand that there's more NFTs coming. You understand that there's supposed to be a game coming. You saw the NFTs drop. And look at this now. You know about the leash. You know about Bone. You know about how to buy it. And you understand that there are some major things coming. And we're just sitting around here waiting for the coin to continue to proliferate across various exchanges. It is doing that. The Shiba army is real. They are really promoting this thing. And it doesn't make any difference how many other dog coins come out. It doesn't matter. Shiba Inu is sitting up here. It's here to stay. And it has been tested. And it has gone way high. And I still hold on to my price prediction that one day, not very, very, very long from now, Shiba Inu is going to roll that zero, folks. You can see it's a third of the way there. It was not that long ago that Shiba Inu was all the way. Look at this, folks. It was at 0.00005. Okay, let's go over the last year. At one point, it was getting close. 0.00008. That's right. Let's roll this up. I want to make sure everybody sees this. 0.00008. 4 zeros and an 8. Oh yeah, that's right. I was way up there and I watched it go down. I lost some money and whatnot. Some of us got out. But for those who are holding on, I think you've got a great investment. Okay? There's going to be a lot of folks crying with the eyelids freaking dry crying. That kind of red eyeball crying when this thing goes all the way back up, because they're going to drop more NFTs. They're going to drop a game. And they're going to have their other little ecosystem upgrades. And then it's going to be a lot of folks talking about, yeah, where were you? So congratulations to the people that are holding on to Shiba Inu. I wish you the best of luck. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. It's Crypto Big Boss, and I'm out.